In this video, we're going to learn how to set up Smart Comment. To create a Smart Comment automation, click on Create New Automation for Comments. Here, you can choose whether you want to apply it to all posts or just to one specific post. In this example, I'm going to choose a specific post. Click Select Post, then choose the post you want Smart Comment to work on. Let's say I choose this latest post. Then click Confirm Selection, and after that, Confirm and Continue. Now you can choose the keyword you want users to comment. For example, let's say I want users to comment the word stress. I can choose the option where the comment contains the keyword. So even if someone writes something like, I want the audio for stress, the automation will still work because it includes the word stress. Then click Confirm and Continue. Next, click Add New Action. Here, I can first reply to the user's comment and then send them a direct message. So first, I choose Reply to Post Comments. At this stage, I can add different reply variations. The platform uses these replies randomly, which is really useful because if one of your posts or reels gets 500 or 20,000 comments, the replies won't all look exactly the same. For example, I might add replies like, please check your DM, I've sent it to you privately. Please have a look at your DM. When a user comments the keyword stress, one of these replies will be chosen at random. Just note that these comment replies are random only. They are not matched to different keywords or different meanings. So if you add 3 reply variations here, the system will simply rotate between them randomly. Then I click Save Action Details. Now that the comment reply is set, I want to send something to the user in their DMs as well. Let's say I want to send them a meditation audio for stress relief. So I click Send Media DM. Under Media Type, I can choose whether I want to send an image, audio, or video. In this example, I choose audio. I've already prepared that meditation audio, so I select it and click Save Action Details. Now, whenever a user comments the word stress, 2 things will happen. First, their comment will get a reply under the post or reel, and second, they will automatically receive the meditation audio in their direct messages. Then I click Confirm and Save, and that's it. My Smart Comment automation is now saved. Now let's test it. I go to the page where I set up the automation and open the post. It doesn't matter what language the user comments in as long as the selected keyword is there. So I comment the word stress. As soon as I post the comment, the automation is triggered. And if I go back to my direct messages, I can see that I've received the audio file. In this example, it's an 8-minute meditation audio related to stress relief. Now let's also check whether the comment itself was replied to. If I refresh the post, I can see that the platform has replied with one of the reply variations I created, such as please have a look at your DM. And as you can see, this can also work with different languages, which makes it even more flexible. If you'd like to explore different use cases for your own business, whether you run an e-commerce brand, you're a creator, you sell courses, you want to generate more leads, or you work in any other field, go to the tutorial section inside the panel, click on the homepage and watch the tutorials and use cases there.